Let us continue slides now. Look at the next example. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. So find the area of the field. So here the given field is in the shape of trapezium. Okay. So already know that. So what is trapezium? So it is a quadrilateral and it contains one pair of parallel sides. Okay. So like this. Right, let us take this one A, B, C and this one D. Okay, so now ABC is a trapezium. So let us take this AB and DC are parallel here. Okay, one pair of parallel sides, and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Okay, so whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. So definitely this one 25 meter, that is lengthiest side, and this one 10 meter. Right? The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. So non-parallel sides means these two sides only. So one is 14 meter and another 13 meter. So this is the longest one. So let us take this one as 14 meter and this one as 13 meter. Now they are asking to find out the area of the field there only. So we are going to find out the area of this trapezium. Right? So what is the area of the trapezium formula? So area of the trapezium already we know that is area equal to. So area of trapezium equal to. So in our lower section you have seen the formula. So half into height into so sum of its parallel sides, that is A plus B. So in your 8th standard you have seen this is the formula for finding area of the trapezium. So here A, B are the length of the parallel sides. So the length of the parallel sides given here 10 meter and 25 meter. So that you can take one is A and another one B. But what about height? We don't know the height. So how can you find the height? Right? So if you know the height means you can directly find out the area of the trapezium here. Okay. Right. So here height is not given. So how can we find out the area of this trapezium? Okay. So one construction we have to do here. That is, now I am going to draw a parallel line which is parallel to AD. Right. So from B. Right. So like this. Okay. Now let us take this BE is a line which is parallel to AD. Okay, there is a construction. So here 13 centimeter means what of this one? So this one also 13 centimeter. Okay. And here 10 centimeter means what about from here to here? So this one also 10 meter, not centimeter, meter. So 10 meter. So this one 13 meter. And what about EC? The remaining is nothing but 15 meter because fully 25. That is this DC fully 25. And from here to here 10 meter. What about the remaining one means 15 meter. Now we got one triangle, that is BEC. Okay. And this is nothing but that opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here also opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore here ABCD, that is ABED is nothing but a parallelogram. That's it. Okay. So now this diagram is a combination of parallelogram and triangle. So the area of the trapezium ABCD. So ABCD now converted into, that is splitted into area of parallelogram A, B, E, D plus area of the triangle BEC. So BEC. So BEC. That's it. Okay. Now how can I find out the area of the triangle BEC? So the length of the three sides, that is 13 meter, 14 meter, 15 meter given here. So by using Heron's formula, you can find out the area of the triangle. Okay. Now how can you find out the area of the parallelogram ABED? So area of the parallelogram already you know that. That is, so area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram A, B, E, D equal to B into H. So base into height. So this is nothing but area of the parallelogram ABED. So parallelogram base is nothing but 10 meter given here. Therefore B equal to 10 meter. Okay. And how can you find out height? So height is not given, so that you can draw one altitude, that is height here like this, 90 degree, right? So E, let us take this one as F. So now here this BF is nothing but the height of the parallelogram and also height of the triangle also. Okay. So here first you have to find out the area of the triangle. Okay. So if you find out the area of the triangle means it will come area of triangle BEC equal to 84 meter square. So you can calculate and check. Okay, 84 meter square. Okay, so the area of the triangle 84 meter square will come. Okay, but we need height. Okay, so in the area of the triangle, what is the area of the triangle formula involving height? Half into BH. Okay, so half into B into H. So the area is nothing but already we found that is 84 meters square, right? So just transpose to that side, it will become, so already BH is there left hand side, so BH equal to 2 into 84. Okay, 2 into 84. So in that base already we know that is base of the triangle from here to here 15 meter. So 15. So 15 H equal to 2 into 84, right? Let us continue. Let us continue here. So height equal to, so 2 into 84 divided by 15. Okay. Now simplify this. So 5 threes are 15, and here 2 threes are 6. Remainder 2. So 8 threes are 24. Okay. And multiply these two here. So when you multiply these two here, what will happen? So 28 into 2, 56. So 56 divided by 5. So this is nothing but your height. So height equal to 56 by 5. If you divide it means what will happen? So here 1 5 and out of 6 also 1 5. And remainder 1 is there. So if you put 0 means 2 5s are 10. So 11.2. So this 11.2 meter is nothing but height. So this height is nothing but 11.2 meter. So that's all. Okay. So now substitute here. So now area. So area of A, B, E, D, that is parallelogram equal to, so base is nothing but, what is the base of the parallelogram here? 10. So 10 into, and what about height? 11.2. 11.2 meter. If you multiply these two means 112. So 112 meter square. So this one is nothing but area of the parallelogram. So now substitute here. So instead of area of ABED 112 plus and area of triangle BEC 84. If you add these two means you will get the total area, that is 196 meter square. So 196 meter square is nothing but area of this trapezium. Okay. So here just write in your classwork note, just draw the diagram first and write one by one in a neat manner. Okay, so here no space is there, so I wrote like this. Okay, just write it in a neat way. So if you not understand anything here, means just inform me, I'll clear it out. Okay, so look at the next one. The perimeter of the triangular field is 240 meter. Its two sides are 78 meter and 50 meter. So find the length of the altitude on the side of 50 meter length from its opposite vertex. Okay, so it's a triangular field. Okay, let us take this as a triangular. That is ABC. A, B, C. So here given the perimeter is nothing but 240 meter. So perimeter is sum of all the three sides. Okay, and one of the sides 78 meter and 50 meter. Okay, let us take this one 50 meter. This one 50 meter. So So let us take this one as 50 meter, and another one, this one, let us take 78 meter. 78 meter. And how can you find the AB? So the perimeter is 240 given, so we have to subtract it, that's it. That is 240 minus and add these two. So 78 plus 50, right? So equal to 240 and minus, when we add this means, so 8, 2, so 128. So subtract and write it, that's it. So 240 and here 128. So when we subtract these two, so here 10, so 2, and here 3 minus 2, 1, and 2 minus 1, 1, so 112. So 112 meter, okay. So this one 112 meter, right? So they are asking to find the length of the altitude on this side, 50 meter length from its opposite vertex. So 50 meter side means this one only. So for this altitude, how can we draw from A only here? So this is nothing but your altitude. Let us take this one as D. Okay, now AD is the altitude. They are asking to find out what is AD here. Okay, find the length of the altitude only they are asking. Okay, it is simple. So how can you find out means first find out the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Okay, so find out area by using Heron's formula. That is Heron's formula. And after that, use half into B into H formula. That is half into B into H, because we are going to find out the height only. Let us take this one as height, H, okay, equal to, so after find out the area, you can write this area here. So area, okay, write your area here, and then, so half into, so base already we know that is 50 meter given here. So this one 50 meter, and H unknown value, and write your area here. Okay, whatever you found the area here, just write it here. And then after that, here 1 time, here 25 time. Okay, so 25. So 25 into H equal to, so your area, and therefore H equal to, so your area divided by 25. So if you divide, you will get the answer. You will get the answer. So understand. So first the three sides are we found, that is 112, 78 and 50. Using these three sides, find out the area by using Heron's formula, and after that substitute in this formula here. That is your area value, and then substitute 1 by 1 here. At last you will get height value, right? Look at this question. The cross section of the canal is in the trapezium shape. If the canal is 10 meter wide at the top and 6 meter wide at the bottom, and the area of the cross section is 72 square meter, so find the depth of the canal. That is, it is in the form of a trapezium. So trapezium means definitely it is like this. Okay, so these two are the parallel sides, these two are the non-parallel sides. So that if the canal is 10 meter wide at the top and 6 meter wide at the bottom, and the area of the cross section is 72. So let us take this one 6 meter, this one 10 meter. Okay, and the area, that is area given here, area is nothing but 72 square meter given here, area. Okay, and they ask you to find out the depth only, that is we are going to find out this height, right? So what is the trapezium formula? So half into height into A plus B equal to area, okay, equal to area. So half into, and height we don't know, and A plus B given here, that is this one A and this one B. So 6 plus 10. So 6 plus 10 equal to area. Okay, so half into height into, so 16 equal to area. Okay, so area is nothing but 72, right? 72 given here already. So area given 72. So here height only, that unknown value. So keep H here and remaining on the right hand side, just to find out the height here. And second subdivision, the trapezium whose sides are 12 centimeters, 60 centimeters distance given here. So here also they are asking to find the distance, the same method.